Experience the future of effortless charging with the AZATOM E3000 Magnetic Wireless Charging Station. Charge your Airpods, Apple Watch, and iPhone simultaneously, creating a unified charging experience. Enjoy a more efficient power delivery with the included USB Type-C connector to UK 3-pin mains adapter for a premium charging performance. Each charging zone have their own dedicated LED light to show the charging status of your devices. The E3000 charges your Airpods at 3 watts, your Apple Watch at 2.5 watts, and your iPhone at an impressive 7.5 watts. Protect your devices with the E3000, guarding against any overvoltage, overcurrent, and over-temperature risks, ensuring a safe and efficient charge. The silicone foldable design lets you configure it in numerous ways to suit your preference. When not in use or traveling, you can neatly pack your E3000 into the included storage zip case for on-the-go convenience. Complement your home, office or travels with this beautifully designed AZATOM E3000 wireless charger.